Today, we're going to talk about price to earnings, also known as the PE ratio. The PE ratio measures the relationship between the current share price and the earnings per share, which we saw in the previous video. The PE ratio is calculated by taking the current market price per share, which is the expectation, and dividing it by the earnings per share, which corresponds to the reality. The standard PE ratio range of a healthy company is around 15 to 30. A company is considered undervalued if its ratio is under 15. A company can also be in the healthy range of 15 to 30. And a company can also be considered overvalued if its ratio is above 30. Now, let's take a look at some real-life examples of each category. First up, we have Intel, and at this time of recording has a market share value of $62.2 and an EPS of $4.94. And if we apply our formula, this equals to a PE ratio of 12.59. Our second example is Coca-Cola, and at this time of recording has a market share value of $50.77 and an EPS of $1.79. Plugged into the formula, this gives us a PE ratio of 28.36, which is in the healthy range even though it's in the higher end. Lastly, we have Apple, and at the time of this recording has a market share value of about $130 and an EPS of $3.69. Plugged into our formula, this will give us a PE ratio of $35.23, which is only slightly overvalued. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for future content.